In this video, I'm going to go ahead and shorten it up a little bit. I made a longer video, and I will put a link to that video in the description area. So let's go ahead and get started with our how to calculate the ridge location for offset pitches. This would be a house that would have two different roof pitches, one on each side. And the first thing you're going to need to do is to always convert the building's total width or span into inches before starting. So let's go ahead and take the first numbers, the vertical rise of both roof pitches, and add them together. For example, if you have a 4 and 12 and an 8 and 12 pitch, add the 4 and the 8 together to get 12. Next up, we're going to convert to decimals, divide each original vertical rise by the combined total from step 1, using longer decimal yields for more accurate final results. In this example, 4 divided by 12 equals 0.3333, and 8 divided by 12 equals 0.6667. To find the horizontal ridge location, multiply both decimals by the total width of the building in inches. This is going to provide us with an 80-inch length and 160 inches on the other side. Now this is where it can get tricky. You're going to need to apply the smaller horizontal measurement, and in our example that measurement is going to be 80 inches, to the side with the steeper pitch. So this will be the 8 and 12 roof pitch. Apply the larger or longer measurement of 160 inches to the side with the shallower pitch. This will be the pitch with the 4 and 12. The next step will be to calculate the overall height of the ridge. Take one of the horizontal distances and divide it by 12 to convert it back to feet, and then multiply it by the vertical rise of that specific side's pitch. And you can double check these measurements by multiplying each one out separately if you want to. And if your final height numbers don't match perfectly, I would try extending your initial decimals out a few more spaces to eliminate any errors you might have during construction by rounding these numbers off. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.